Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm in a good mood because we're getting our stove installed today. So back in November I purchased the stove, and obviously we gotta go through procedure. We have a gas line already, but then the guys are here to run another gas line. We had to get an estimate, then a date, blah blah blah. Yeah, so they are here to install the stove. So this is the new stove. The guy just put it together. Put that there, got fronted, and this is what. So it started with a crack, the cracks. And it's like we can still cook on this until Black Friday. And now, with time goes by, yeah, we've been cooking on it, and it's it just got worse pretty much. But then we had the stove there just sitting because it takes, yeah. So the stove was just sitting, the brand new stove was just sitting here because of the process we gotta go through. On top of that, you purchase the stove, but then you have to pay to get it installed. So yeah, that's how we're doing. So we could finally stop cooking on one burner. The struggle is real, okay? The struggle is real. Maybe I shouldn't say that, because I'm not struggle. I shouldn't say that now, because I'm not struggling. No, I'm not struggling. But what I meant was cooking on two burner was a struggle, because food was taking long to cook. That's what I mean by struggle, because girl, not struggle. Okay. So yeah, they left because something about their drill. I don't even want to go mess with the people. Hold on. So he said that something about the drill, their drill bit not working to go through whatever. I don't know. The stuff over there. Their whatever their thing is there. But they went to Lowe's because the drill thingy is not going through the wall or the, I don't know. If my husband was there, he would have been able to explain all this stuff. Okay? But yeah, all that for the stove. Baby girl going to school. So I'm about to go get her ready for school. So I'll see you guys when they come back. Alright, stove set up. So in the process of the guys working on that stove, look at my nice avocado. Now this is avocado. It's gonna be avocado every day this week because we got 4, and I feel the other one and it feels funny. So not funny, but it feels like it's ready to eat as well. So yeah. Look. So I got me another tank, y'all.
The oven's gonna smoke a little bit just for the first time you use it. because it has like the factory oil in there that's got to burn off.
Oh, okay.
So,
What stove I like? So the oven is on. I have to leave it on for 30 minutes. I gotta leave it for 30 minutes. Girl can cook now. But he gonna be happy. He gonna be happy.